Welcome to this explainer on Educator Agency. Let's talk about using generative AI while staying totally in control.
First, we got to ask ourselves a pretty tough question. Are we letting AI do our thinking? The OECD actually warns of a dystopian scenario, AI speaking through students right back to AI speaking through teachers.
Here's the absolute core of it all. AI doesn't make ethical decisions. You do.
We literally always have to choose being a human in the loop over just being a passive AI user.
This whole explainer builds on what Robert Martinez revisited during the Nile Ofqual Level 3 Award in AI. Take Robert Martinez's B1 class, for example. He used AI to generate reading comprehension text for them.
But instead of just accepting that generic output, he actively reviewed and adapted it to fit his specific learners.
By catching weird biases in AI-generated images, he proved exactly why you must be the ultimate filter.
So how do you actually ensure your unique professional voice stays in the materials you create?
Well, you can evaluate every AI output using the ARSB-CD framework to keep your professional standards high.
This feeds right into a strict 6-step cyclical workflow to manage AI responsibly in your everyday practice.
Step 1. Check the tool. Critically evaluate what the AI simply couldn't possibly know about your students.
Next up, trial and review. Always test the materials to catch any hidden factual errors or cultural assumptions.
Then adapt it. Remember, AI is just a tool. It definitely can't replace your own pedagogical expertise.
And finally, if a tool breaches data privacy or quality standards, stop using it immediately and escalate it.
Following these steps, make sure that your human judgment and empathy stay right at the heart of teaching.
Check out Robert Martinez's YouTube channel, Learning Together with Robert, for more on AI, language assessment, and methodology.
Ultimately, the choice is yours. Will you remain the filter, or will you let AI do your thinking?